the garage so I can park in it, question mark. I'm on my way with my motorcycle, period. It's gonna rain, it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain. It's currently only 75. Send a message to Porter family. Can you put out the recycling, please, question mark? Go. Well, I seem to have timed things perfectly to avoid the rain. Downpoured earlier today over lunch. So you can see it's a little wet. Also, I got out before it got really hot. It's already 77 after the rainstorm, and it's supposed to get to 90, but no, now it says 86. So they've lowered that a bit. Oh, my pant legs are getting wet. Oh, this is perfect weather right now. School zone, school zone. Ah!
Hi, Dad.
Hi, son.
Do you want to hug me?
Yeah, but now I have my helmet on. You're gonna bash yourself on all my gear. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
I love you too.
Sweet. If you're wondering what I'm eating, dark chocolate. Just had some giant blackberries and chocolate. It's Monday morning, 70 degrees. Hopefully we have a good ride. I did do some weightlifting this morning, doing squats. So, you know, legs are a little shaky. I haven't worked out for a while. I've been editing a lot, so. What's this guy doing? Turning right? You can't tell what he's doing because his flashers are flashing and... I don't know if you... There we go, okay. Anyway, so I was lifting and the legs are a little wobbly. My legs are a little wobbly. And so, oh my goodness, that squeaking is gonna drive me insane. I gotta do something. I'm just gonna have to get an appointment and get it done. It's a necessity. I mean, I need to be able to stop. This is me arguing with my wife. I need to be able to stop for safety reasons. I mean, do you want me to die because I can't stop? How's that sound? Or I'm gonna have to start using my front brake and then I'm gonna fall over and crash because I'm using my front brake. Where is everybody? You know where everybody is? School. You can tell it's school time because everyone is not around and it's 9:30. I had to take my son to get his blood drawn this morning. We're doing some tests because he has asthma really bad, and we're doing every test we possibly can to figure out what it's causing it and what we can do to fix it. So, but my point with leg day, back to leg day, was when I stop, I gotta make sure that I keep the bike balanced because it's leg day. Sorry, my hand was on the clutch. Oh, I gotta stop. Darn it. Okay, right brake. Another car coming. We're gonna wait for it too. Little kid running out by the road. You probably can't see that from this angle. My head doesn't turn that far. Okay, here we go. I know how to ride a motorcycle. That's always one way to get super challenged. Stop your motorcycle on a hill. You probably, people who live somewhere where it's hilly all the time are like, wow, you big baby, you had one little tiny hill. I'm just not used to it. There's my dreamland. What's gonna happen someday when I drive past here and it says like sold and they like start building houses on it? I might cry. I might pull over and cry. Just have a moment. I love that sound. The sound of wasting fuel. I wonder if the Hero 4 microphone picks that up better. It does a pretty good job of not having wind noise at this angle. Pointed back at me. I don't know where the microphone is. I don't know if it's up here on the top. I don't think it's on the front. I'm sure it has multiple microphones and then it can sense which one is making too much wind noise and not use it, but I feel like it does a pretty good job of not getting wind noise and getting that outside sound, that engine sound. So here, let's just show you. Okay, here's my internal microphone, right? And then here's the Hero 4 microphone. Okay, and it's getting some decent wind right now. We're going about 40, but it's a little windy. Okay, here's the DJI microphone. Yeah, I'm guessing nothing. It's too windy. It automatically attenuates the microphone, which means turns it down because there's too much wind noise. It's kind of interesting. I like it. Instead of just it just mutes it. Then when it backs off, now watch. Auto adapt. Isn't that amazing how it just auto adapts? Yeah, it's pretty nice. 2 bars of gas. That seems kind of quick. What's going on? Maybe I am using too much fuel. Maybe it's time for some tuning again. It is below 80. It makes a huge difference. We'll see what this day has for us. Hopefully coffee. That's what I'm hoping. Oh, a praying mantis. Oh, 2 praying mantises. I have to take a video for my children. I arrived at work this morning to, I believe, a murder-suicide. Isn't that what they do? Don't they kill each other? I don't know. Bless you! Something must have happened last night with praying mantises because my kids said there was one at home and now there's 2 here. Are either one of them alive? This one definitely does not. Oh, it is alive. Is this one alive? Barely. Oh, he not doing so good. Why are praying mantises dying? I'm gonna go get something to dispose of them. Okay, there's one. There's 2. I wonder if these are, man, they're strong. Like, the males, and then they bred with a female, and then she killed them. Get off the rag. Get off the rag. Get off the rag. Seriously? Seriously. Get off the rag. Okay. Maybe a bird will eat you.